After months of public back and forth,
my office filed a civil lawsuit against the city of Sacramento, specifically that it allowed, created, and enabled a public safety crisis regarding our unhoused.
Today, District Attorney Tin Ho made the announcement in a room crowded with business owners, residents.
Do the job that you were elected to do, and I know you're going to get there.
Thank you. Thank you.
And community leaders like former longtime Sacramento City Council member Jeff Harris.
I'll be quite candid. I welcome this lawsuit if it will cause that balance that the district attorney talked about between compassion and enforcement. What we don't have is the balance, and it needs to be there.
The lawsuit claims the city of Sacramento has failed to consistently enforce the law, putting the safety of the unhoused and other members of the community at risk by allowing for things like unlawful camping, dumping, and inaccessible sidewalks. We spoke to the district attorney one-on-one after his announcement. And you explicitly asked that question on page 5 of the complaint. Is there a mandate from City Hall to stop law enforcement from enforcing the law? I asked you a similar question during the press conference as well. Do you truly believe that there was some sort of conversation or agreement between City Hall and the police department to stop enforcement?
I know that the police want to enforce the law. They want to keep our streets safe and clean. I have great respect for them. So I find it very surprising that we don't have a single citation or prosecution in the last year from the city. And so we are going to find answers to these questions.
He said through this lawsuit, he will obtain emails, tests, mandates, memos, and other documents to ask people under oath to get those questions about enforcement answered. In a statement to KCRA 3, the mayor said the council is pressing for strong enforcement and that they have, quote, no time for the DA's performative distraction. The city attorney said they did try to work with the DA's office and they look forward to responding to his claims in court. Meanwhile, advocates for those experiencing homelessness tell me they are deeply concerned.
My fear is that the city will prove that the lawsuit doesn't have any grounds by stepping up enforcement, towing people's cars, citing people, who don't have any money, and ultimately the real harm will be to our unhoused neighbors.
In Sacramento, Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.